When you're ready to download the Facebook app to your Apple device, the first place you'll want to go is the App Store. This is the icon to the left side of my screen that has a white A in the middle of the blue icon. This App Store is where you will go to search to download any type of apps that you would like to add to your device. When we go into the App Store, you'll see at the bottom right hand of your screen, it says Search with a magnifying glass option. You'll click that and it will give you a bar at the top to search for what app you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for Facebook. So we're going to start typing it in. It does come up at the top because it's a popular app. And you'll see on the left-hand side where it says Facebook, a social networking. It has an icon of a cloud with an arrow for me to download it. This means that I've had the app on my device before, but I'd like to reinstall it. If you've never put the app on your device before, your button might say Get, like you see on a couple other options here. Now, depending on which option you have, whether your button says Get or you have the cloud with the arrow like myself here, we're going to select that option and you will see that your app is going to start to download. That gray circle around the blue box will begin to have a blue circle start to form that shows the progress of your download. When this download is complete, it will give us the option to open it directly from our App Store here. It will also add an icon to your home page of your Apple device, and from there you can find it easily, and you can also sort it into perhaps another folder or somewhere else you'd like to find it. So now that our download is complete, we're going to open the app directly from here, where we'll click the button that says Open. Now it puts us into the Facebook app, where we can get started to join Facebook if you haven't created an account before, or you can click the Already Have an Account option, where it will give you the option to log in there.